Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Android phone is stuck in headphone mode, it means your device's internal audio switch is falsely detecting a plugged-in headset due to physical debris or a minor software glitch. I will show you exactly how to bypass this mode and restore your speaker sound right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason your phone gets stuck in this mode is a jammed hardware sensor or physical dirt inside the port. Here is how to fix the physical connection. Take your wired headphones and firmly plug them back into the audio jack, then quickly pull them out 3 or 4 times to unstick the internal detection pin. If the headphone icon remains, use a flashlight to look inside the jack for compacted pocket lint or dust. Take a wooden toothpick or a cotton swab with most of the cotton removed and gently scrape the bottom of the port to pull out any trapped debris. For stubborn dirt, lightly dampen the swab with a single drop of rubbing alcohol and gently twist it inside the port, then let it dry for 5 minutes before testing your sound. Next, if the audio jack is completely clean, but the phone still thinks headphones are connected, you are likely experiencing a temporary software failure. You need to perform a system restart. Press and hold the physical power button on the side of your phone until the power menu appears on your screen. Tap the Restart or Reboot option to completely shut down and refresh the Android operating system. If you have an older Android model with a removable back panel, physically pull the battery out of the phone for 30 seconds, then reinsert it and power the device back on to clear the system's random access memory. Finally, if a hardware defect permanently broke your headphone sensor, you can completely bypass it using a third-party audio routing app. Here is how to manually force your speakers to work. Open your Google Play Store. Search for a free application called Disable Headphone and install it to your device. Open the application and you will see a simple interface with toggle switches for your audio output. Tap the option specifically labeled Speaker or Disable Earphone to manually override Android's default audio routing. Tap the Test Sound button to verify the fix. Your phone will now permanently ignore the broken headphone jack and route all calls and media directly through your main loudspeakers. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.